The grand finale and prize presentation ceremony of the mathematics competition, organized by Aderosoye Fadola Foundation, had in attendance school administrators in the Ifedore local government area of Ondo State, students from the participating schools, and royal fathers. The competition, which was the maiden edition, featured 7 schools with 3 students each. Recounting his experiences and challenges while growing up, the founder of the foundation, Prince Aderosoye Fadola, said the mathematics competition was to fertilize the interest of young individuals in their educational pursuit.
Aderosoye Fadola Foundation registers 2009, April 14. When I look back, I faced a lot of challenges in terms of my education. That's why you see this program today. And then as the promise that I will never let anybody down in education level, anything.
Ondo State Commissioner for Education, Science and Technology, Laolu Akindolire, represented by the Area Education Officer in Ifedore Local Government, Shola Onifade, and the Alara of Ilaramokin, Oba Abiodun Adefenyinti, commended the foundation for the initiative.
The Aderosoye Fadola Foundation has provided this platform not just to identify and reward talents, but to inspire all of us to strive for excellence.
Anybody who looks at education and tries to finance it, I think we have to clap for something.
At the end of the competition, Anglican Grammar School Ijare emerged the winner, receiving 300,000 naira and a brand new laptop.
It's a great joy to be representing the school because it's a great opportunity to be here, and I thank the Lord Almighty that helped us, because I feel nothing is given to man except he receives it from heaven.
I thank God today. I appreciate the Lord Almighty that we are the winner of the competition.
Community Comprehensive High School Ilaramokin secured the 2nd position, winning 200,000 naira, while Anglican Grammar School Ijare came 3rd, receiving 100,000 naira. Other participating schools got 20,000 naira each as consolation prizes. Pius, OSRC News.